Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Niladon. Today, now I show you how to use EA Win Wi-Fi Auto Candle Seal Rainbow version 3A. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one EA is automatic open position. Lot size 0.01. Okay, I use 50. Now $2 is a profit. Okay, and here is a profit 14 and I think more. Okay, this one time frame is 1 hour. H1, see more. The last clip I show you Fibonacci. Okay, this one is a moving average EMA 50. Okay, this it is a Fibonacci take profit. Okay, here. Okay, I think here or here EMA 88. Okay, okay, waiting for the moving. Okay, now moving, move down. When no stop loss here, you can close manual close here. Okay, when the swing, nah. Okay, okay. Thank you for watching this clip. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.